Hello everyone, how are you today? I'm your teacher Jem Raymond, and today let me present to you the update of the release of the Special Allotment Release Order o SARO from the Department of Budget and Management or DBM as of August 15, 2024 para sa ating Department of Education patungkol sa performance-based bonus for fiscal year 2022 for school-based personnel. May mga SARO na nga po na na-release today as of August 15, 2024. Alamin natin ang mga ito. Review muna natin. Unang nakatanggap ng SARO for PBB 2022 from DBM ang Region 5 nga noong August 7, 2024 for their school-based personnel. At noong August 9, 2024, na-release din ang Notice of Cash Allocations or NCA for Region 5. And for sure, by now, natanggap na ng mga eligible school-based personnel, kabilang na yung mga teachers ng buong Region 5 ang kanilang PBB 2022. Congratulations po, Region 5! Noong August 13, 2024 naman, ang pangalawang release ng DBM at ito ay para sa iilang SDO at National High School lamang ng Region 8 o Eastern Visayas. At noong August 14, nagsimula na din ang pag-release ng Notice of Cash Allocations from DBM for Region 8. Ito pa yung ibang list ng SDO at National High School na may SARO na na-receive from Region 8 last August 13, 2024. Now, as of August 14, 2024, may SARO na din ang DepEd National Capital Region or NCR at ito ay para sa lahat ng mga school-based personnel ng lahat ng SDOs at National High Schools ng NCR. And at the same day din, nag-release din ng Notice of Cash Allocations or NCA ang DBM for National Capital Region. PBB is real na nga for DepEd NCR. Congratulations! Now, here's another set of SDO and National High Schools from Region 8 ang narelisan na ng SARO noong August 14, 2024. Now, here's another batch of agencies for Region 8 na may SARO na natanggap from DBM. Now, this is also for Region 8. They received SARO last August 14, 2024. At ito po pala yung additional na SARO from Region 8 na na-release last August 14, 2024. Mga bandang 6 p.m. na kasi ito ng gabi ng August 14, 2024 na na-release. Kaya hindi ko na ito nasama last na video ko last August 14, 2024. Dito sa mga set of SARO, nakalagay dito yung purpose and specific school at number ng eligible employees per school. Now, punta naman tayo sa mga narelisan na ng SARO ngayong August 15, 2024. Anong region naman kaya ang nakatanggap ng SARO as of today, August 15, 2024? Now, let's take it closer. For August 15, 2024, still, SDO at National High Schools from Region 8 ang nakareceive ng SARO from DBM. Unlike kasi sa NCR at Region 5, ang Region 8 kasi medyo kakaiba ang pag-release ng SARO sa kanilang region. Hindi siya buong rehiyon ang SARO na ibinigay ng DBM, kundi ni isa-isa ng DBM ang pag-release ng SARO per SDO at National High School for Region 8. So here's the first batch of the agencies or National High Schools and SDO na may SARO na nga na na-receive today as of August 15, 2024. Now, here's another list of National High Schools from Region 8 na naka-receive na nga ng SARO today, August 15, 2024. At ito din yung corresponding budget allocation for their agency for PBB 2022. Here's another list of SDO at National High School from Region 8 na may SARO na na-receive. That's all for this video, teachers, and please like, share this video, and of course, click subscribe button to keep updated po, especially on the release of our SARO for our PBB, and of course, other updates then for education-related matters. So thank you so much for watching, and till next time, keep safe everyone!